Okay, we have a Bridgeport Proto-Trak 3-axis CNC milling machine. It has a J-head Bridgeport with a Proto-Trak Southwestern Industries SMX control. We're going to run it for you. The Bridgeport serial number is 12BR177291. You have a 9x48 table. He's running the X-axis right now. The X goes 30 inches in the X, 12 inches in the Y. And you have 5 inches in the Z. So he's using right now the pendant control, but you can also use the hand wheels. So it's a digital hand wheel for the Z. You have a manual hand wheel for the X and for the Y. So you have ball screws and servo motors for those 3 axes. In manual mode, it's a digital readout. In programmable mode, it's control. Right now, he's running in the high range. You have 8 speeds from 80 to 2720, just like your classic Bridgeport J-head. He's in the low range now. Okay. So yeah, you've seen the axes move, you've heard the spindle go. By the way, the spindle has an R8 taper. And thank you for watching our video.